Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing SIM plus SD immediately. This prevents data loss and short circuits. Use a T5 or T6 driver, plastic picks, suction cup, and an anti-static mat. These reduce damage. Once the rear or front glass is warmed to about 50-60 degrees, gently lift with a suction cup and insert a pick. You want slow, steady pressure so the adhesive peels rather than cracks components. Make sure to note screw sizes as you remove them. After opening, disconnect the battery right away so you don't short the board while working on delicate flexes. Carefully label each flex cable and screw. This saves time and prevents swapped connections. Remove the broken display assembly and transfer sensors, earpiece, and any fingerprint module to the new screen. These parts are often not included. Once transferred, connect the replacement display to the board with a temporary battery hookup and power on to verify touch, LCD, and sensors before you reseal the device. When the replacement passes testing, remove power and apply proper adhesive strips or pre-cut frame glue so the seal is even and water-resistant stays intact. Reinstall screws to their labeled holes, reconnect the battery last, and press the chassis uniformly. Use clamps or wait for 10-15 minutes to cure. Once done, perform a full test of touch, cameras, sensors, charging, and speaker. If something fails, try a soft reset. Reseat the affected flex cable, or reflash firmware as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.